Hello and welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse and today I've got just a very quick video to show you a bit of an update. Now, some of you will remember that I did this on a live and then followed it quickly and a couple of days later with the other side, and I just wanted to show you what happened. Now, I've done this before with the bags that aren't pre-coated, like, so they've just got this sort of material-y stuff, and I did it with and without gesso, and those bags have held up really well. The thing is, what gets created with that is that the gesso gets sucked into the material and creates a bond with the material. Whereas on this one already had a plasticky coating on the outside, and so my paint has not adhered. Look at this. I can just peel it all off. Ta-da! We're back to what we started with. Now I've got a beautiful skin, but I can't, like, it's not covering the bag like I'd hoped. And the same thing happened on this side too. This is starting to peel off as well. So I'm just doing this video as a little warning. Warning, Will Robinson. Do not, without some sort of pre-coating that adheres to plastic overlay, do not do that. Frustration. So anyway, that's that. Let's get over all the negative falling apart stuff and have a look at the fun stuff. This is what we created together in the last live, and I wanted to show it to you because it's super cool. I like him that way because he so looks to me like a dragon. I just like him. He's so cool, and he's got this little antenna with a little halo-y thing happening on top of his horns or something. But the other thing I wanted to show you in here was, do you remember how I used the hose and blew the edges out, and then I got to a point where I realized I was blowing spit? Well, the spit decided to contribute in a very beautiful way, and it has created this bleeding effect. And look at these little trees. I've called them fractals in the past and got really in trouble for that, but I call them fractal trees, but they're not. Just, ignore me. But look at it, it's so pretty. It's so cool. There's even a negative space fractal tree in there one. Check it out. I like it. That's so cool. So, yeah. Maybe spitting on your painting's not a bad thing. Don't worry, I'll wash the DNA off before I sell it. Oh, there's another one up there. Check it, check it, check it. Doing. That's so cool. So yes, I like this one a lot, and of course it's done on canvas, so it's not going to peel off like the bag did. But I really like it. He's even got a little snort of something coming out of his nose. Hopefully it's a good spell or contribution of some description. And many of you saw the lady's face this way around. And to be really honest, I still can't see it. When I look at this way around, all I see is my little ghost. He's got his alarms out the front and his little tail wisping behind him, and he's like, woo, with his big blue eye. That's what I see it that way around. But I also wanted to show you the difference between the copper and the gold. They came out really dynamic, and they stayed in separate parts of the painting. Like, we got gold over here, copper over here, and gold over here. So I like it. I like it all as it is. It's just fun and pretty and cool. And thank you all for your contributions, choosing the colours. And the purple didn't mix too much with the white, which is really cool, because we didn't put any white in the cup, if you remember. This was a flip and drag. And yeah, so we actually got the purple as a purple rather than it going pink, which I'm very pleased about. So, from me and my dragon and my little ghost, oh, maybe the dragon's eating the ghost. Maybe we could call this Ghostbuster Dragon. Oh, I'm funny, I know. Anyway, guys, I am away at a Right Voice for You course up in Auckland this weekend. I do have some videos for you every couple of days. I'm sort of settling into a every couple of days slot at the moment because I am so busy. I apologise for that, those of you that love waking up and listening to me every day. But hey, I've got over 500 videos on this channel now, so go back and watch some of the old stuff. There'll be a link at the end of the video to the Acrylic Pour NZ playlist, which has all my videos throughout, right from video number 1. So I dare you, go back and check them out, see what you can find, and what else is possible. I adore you guys, and I will see you tomorrow with an actual painting video. Bye bye.